the red light will go to amber. When it goes to green, signal will be off, and away he goes now. Up and over. Big jump, right across the staggered sleepers. Turning it around on the ball, has to go up towards the more staggered sleepers, clears him in one. This is a tricky bit. He's got to pick the front wheel up, turn it around like that, and get away again. Now, over the barrels. Barrels coming. The clock running down towards the turn. We're looking for roughly 30 seconds. He's a little bit off the pace, but not too bad over the skip at 32. On the street back up towards me. Now the tires. Tires come next over the time now. Walking the ball, that was tricky. Walking the plank, and that's in the hole. That's deep in the hole. That's where it really goes wrong. He's going to have to come out with a full. James Jackson, the Yorkshireman, away he goes. This is fast. Fast get going. Right on the bottom. He's got to come back up here now. The staggered sleepers clears the big one. Now, what can he do on this tricky turn? That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. And over he goes now. Over the barrel. Down towards the skip. He's fast. He's furious. He's frantic. 27, 28, 30 on the skip. So way in front. Way in front. And 51.64 Stephen's time. Walking the plank now. 41. He's ready. Here we go then. Green light, away it goes. Up and over. 41.7 to beat. 41.7 round the bottom now. Up to here. What can he do here to fix it up? Turns it round, that's quick, that's slick. Over the drums, and we're looking for about 29, 30 seconds. At the bottom, it's fast. On top of the skip, what's his time? 29 on the skip. He's in front. Now the tyres. 29 seconds. Heading for the tyre. The clock's running down. Up and on the plank. Oh, that's fast. 39.73. Lights are on red. Watch this. Richard Morehouse. What can he do? He's got a fast time to beat. He's got a really, really quick time. 39.7. 3 to beat. Richard Morehouse is fast down the bottom, but what can he do here? He's got to get on here. This is where it's won or lost. That's good. That's, oh no! Fraction of a second lost there. Just a delay. Over the drums. Down to the bottom. Now, at the skip, he's looking good. He's 31 seconds off top of the skip, but it's not going to be good enough. Johnny Frost, our leader at the moment. Whoa! Red light. Green light, go. Neck and neck they go. Side by side. Oh, that's Johnny's on. Johnny's on. Oh, here. So the Southern team have come down in a heat. Got that right. This is Richard Morehouse cruising in this one. Round he goes. John is going to do his best to play catch up. Undeterred, 2 laps they do. 2 laps, so he's got time to catch up. Can Johnny, come on, champion there. Can he catch up? What's going on here? Well, they are. Charlie is in front. Charlie Frost back in the lead after being off the bike. Oh, they're really struggling with it this time. Second lap. They've got to do a second lap. Here they go. Richard Morehouse now. Excited at the front. I'm all excited. Charlie Frost dragging around the front. Leading it around. Now what's going to happen here? Can he get it around? Oh, torpedo! They're jammed together. That's allowed. You can get up the inside. You can go. Oh. Charlie Frost is on his way here. Down to the skip for the last time. Wow. Charlie Frost He's heading for the final. Whoa, that's it. Charlie France and Richard Morehouse. What a battle that was! Green light goes. Ben Jackson, red light sign in the back of the bike, over they go. Neck and neck at the moment, Stephen. Oh, Jackson, sideways. He's going sideways. You've got to make the most of this, Stephen. Get it round, pick it up. He's up the inside, you're in the hole. That wasn't the plan. Drag it round. James Jackson then, up the inside, just made it slip. And now he's at the skip. Up and on the skip. 2 laps I remind you. 2 laps of this one. Who's going to join Charlie Cross in the final? Oh, here they go. He's up on there. You can't follow him, you've got to pick the other one. Up this. 2 laps. Almost forgot he had 2 laps when he went for it. He took the timing lap. It's Chuck. It's Benno, Stephen Benno. Joe Jackson, they're neck and neck. Stay tight, Sue. Come up the inside. Oh, you're straight in the hole again. Oh no. Wants to come up. Pull it round. Come on, Stephen. Get it away. He's after you. Over the drums they go. Down towards the skip for the last time. Up the inside, Jackson's going over the inside. You can just tell, can't you? They're neck and neck together. Off the skip they come. Side by side. Now the tyres. James Jackson's got it. James Jackson, is he going to go right or left? He's going right. Stephen's got to go left. Come on, Stephen Benno. Go left, young man. Yes. Benno. And now they're on green, getting ready to go. Up they go. James Jackson is going to Richard Morehouse. One from Yorkshire, one from Harrogate. Charles Rogers, you would expect. He's got to go up the inside. Richard Morehouse up the inside, swings it round. Brilliant. James Jackson left in the dust, over the barrel. Down towards the skip this time. What's going to happen down the bottom? Richard Morehouse, take your time. Over nicely. Jackson over as well. Now heading for the tyres. 2 banks of tyres. They're a bit soft, a bit difficult to negotiate. But Richard Morehouse looking good. Onto the plank, ride the plank. Now swing it round, he's coming up the inside. Jackson, go for it. Oh no, Richard. Got the drive out of the turn. Down towards the bottom of the staggered beam. Now back again towards the staggered beam. 4 in 1. Over they go. Now he's got to go up the inside. He's got no choice. James Jackson's gone wide, Richard Morehouse has gone round, now the drums. You've got one last chance to do it. That's down the skip at the bottom. Jackson on the inside, Morehouse in front now. He's a bit slow there, get the drive, get it out! Yeah! Oh, what a shame. What happened there? Oh, dear, that was nearly calamity. James Jackson cruising to victory here. Richard Morehouse all fired up. It's the bike damage. Did it go? Oh no! Jackson absolutely shattered. Come on, no outside assistance. Bring it home, buddy. Bring it home. Give a round of applause.